I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth to this '07 Honda Odyssey old factory system. The '07 Honda factory system come with the AM, FM, CD changers, aux, and even XM connections. However, it does not have Bluetooth capability. So what we're going to do is we're going to add Bluetooth capability to this stock system without having to replace the head units or do any sort of modification to this radio. All you got to do is get my device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. My device will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio without removing it or any sort of modification. You simply connect my device. Let me show you. All you got to do is when you get in the car, set the car radio to 87.9. You can hear that there's a lot of static. Now, you get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Get my device. This is what the control unit looks like. And this is wired. Simply connect this to the sacred charger for power and listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
All you gotta do is plug my device into your car and turn on your radio. Then you're ready to enjoy all your music, streaming music from Pandora, podcast, news, radio, sports, anything you want to listen to through your car's sound system, loud and clear without hissing or static. Not only that, you will be able to talk hands-free. So whenever you're listening to music like this, and a phone call comes in, just press this button to answer the call. And once you finish, press this button again to hang up, and the music will resume. You can also use my device to use the latest GPS apps such as Waze to integrate GPS functionality to your old radio. You will be able to get real-time update and all the information through your radio while you're enjoying streaming your music as you drive. So you'll be able to totally integrate your new smartphone into your older car sound system without touching the head unit or replacing it. Simply connect my device to your car and you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone functionality to your older car. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. This is the quickest and easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to your older car factory radio system. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.